Lower energy bills. One of the primary reasons homeowners in Crestview choose to upgrade to energy-efficient windows and doors is the potential for significant savings on their energy bills. Traditional windows and doors can let air escape, making it harder for your heating and cooling system to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. Energy-efficient windows and doors, on the other hand, are designed with special coatings and insulation materials that reduce heat transfer. This means your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, leading to reduced energy consumption and lower monthly utility costs. Improved comfort. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors can greatly improve the comfort of your home. In Crestview, where temperatures can fluctuate between hot summers and cool winters, having energy-efficient windows and doors ensures that your home stays comfortable year-round. These windows and doors are designed to maintain a stable indoor temperature by preventing drafts, cold spots, and excessive heat buildup. As a result, you'll enjoy a more consistent and comfortable environment without the constant need to adjust your thermostat. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors can also increase the resale value of your Crestview home. As more homebuyers become aware of the long-term benefits of energy efficiency, homes with energy-efficient features are often seen as more desirable. Potential buyers are attracted to the idea of saving on energy costs and enjoying a more sustainable home. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, investing in these upgrades can give you an edge over other properties on the market and help you secure a higher asking price. Better indoor air quality. Energy-efficient windows and doors are not only great for temperature regulation but also for improving indoor air quality. Many energy-efficient models feature advanced glazing options that help reduce the infiltration of outdoor pollutants, allergens, and dust. This is especially important for those who suffer from allergies or respiratory issues. By preventing pollutants from entering your home, energy-efficient windows and doors help create a healthier living environment, allowing you and your family to breathe easier. Noise reduction. Living in Crestview, where you might experience traffic noise, barking dogs, or other sounds from the outside, energy-efficient windows and doors can also provide excellent noise insulation. Many modern energy-efficient windows are designed with multiple layers of glass and insulating materials that reduce the amount of sound that enters your home. This is particularly beneficial if you live near a busy road or in a densely populated area, as these upgrades can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Enhanced security. When you upgrade your windows and doors to energy-efficient models, you're also investing in increased security for your home. Many energy-efficient windows and doors are designed with stronger, more durable materials that make it harder for intruders to break in. Additionally, many newer windows come with enhanced locking mechanisms and shatter-resistant glass, offering an extra layer of protection for your family. This added security feature gives you peace of mind, knowing your home is not only energy efficient but also safer. Environmental benefits. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors is a responsible step towards reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to environmental sustainability. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you help reduce the demand for electricity and the associated greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows and doors are made from sustainable materials, making them an eco-friendly choice for homeowners who are concerned about their impact on the environment. Low maintenance. Energy-efficient windows and doors are built to last and often require less maintenance compared to older models. Modern energy-efficient windows feature durable frames and weather-resistant coatings that help prevent issues like rotting, warping, or fading. Many of these products are designed to withstand the elements, ensuring that they continue to perform well for years to come. With less maintenance required, you can spend more time enjoying your home and less time worrying about repairs or replacements. Better aesthetics. Energy-efficient windows and doors come in a wide variety of styles, designs, and finishes, so you don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for performance. Whether you're looking to complement your home's traditional design or give it a more modern look, there are energy-efficient options to suit your taste. With sleek frames, clear views, and updated designs, these windows and doors can enhance your home's exterior and improve its overall curb appeal. Tax incentives and rebates. In many cases, upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors can qualify you for tax incentives or rebates from local utilities or government programs. These financial incentives can help offset the initial cost of the upgrades, making them an even more appealing option for homeowners in Crestview. Be sure to check with your local utility company or government agencies for available programs that can help you save money on your energy-efficient home improvements. Conclusion. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors in Crestview offers a host of benefits, from reducing energy bills and improving comfort to enhancing home security and increasing property value. Whether you're looking to create a healthier home environment, contribute to sustainability, or simply enjoy a more attractive and functional living space, these upgrades are a smart investment. With lower energy consumption, better temperature control, and reduced noise, you'll find that the benefits of energy-efficient windows and doors extend far beyond just saving money. It's an investment that pays off in both the short and long term, improving your home's performance, appearance, and value.